SafeMoon Holders is doing a very big mistake at this time, my friends. If you are a holder of SafeMoon, so please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. And if you do this mistake, absolutely you will get a great loss, a big loss. Please be alert and be safe. Anyways, before starting this interesting video, if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe now for more this kind of news and updates videos. Let's move on and let's start the video, my friends. My friends, first of all, we discussed the latest update of the SafeMoon R, and after that, we looked the mistake. We discussed the mistake. What's going on is this time in the SafeMoon. My friends, you can see here the latest price of the SafeMoon in the market as 0.0005 USD dollar. That is the latest price. That is the current price of the SafeMoon in the market. On the other side, if you look the price changes occurring in the SafeMoon, so absolutely. My friends, the last 1 hour pricing is going positive, last 1 day pricing is going negative, last 1 week pricing is again positive. Only the last 1 day from the yesterday pricing is going negative. So let's see what's going on in the price chart. You can see here, my friends, it is the last 1 month price chart of the SafeMoon. So now this time the price change occur and the SafeMoon is going positive. Positive 11.87%. The price change occurred in the SafeMoon is positive in the last 1 month. Absolutely, the fast down occurred, but after a fast, they again take a jump. So that is why the price change is going positive, my friends. I hope that they will continue this kind of positive trends for a long time, my friends. Now, my friends, at this time, as you know, it is the end of month, so there's a lot of chances to the price fast down for a little time. So that's not mean that if the price fast down, so you decide to sell, my friends. Now at this time, if you are a short-term investor, so I suggest for all of you that it's a perfect time to sell. Sell SafeMoon in this time and be safe from loss. Sale if you are a short-term investor, and if you are a long-term investor, so please don't worry about this kind of small fast. Every cryptocurrency is fast down in the end of month, so don't worry about that. The huge pump of the SafeMoon or start in the new month, my friends. So don't decide to sell. If you are a long-term investor, hold. Long-term investor, hold, and short-term investor, sell now, my friends. What do you think? What is your opinion? What is your prediction about SafeMoon? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.